That's a great question. How can I upload a file to Google Drive and then hang on to it for as long as I want to? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But first of all, you need to make sure that you're using a Google account that you're going to hang on to for a long time. I have two of them. I have my teddyburris@gmail.com, and I also have my teddyburris.com Google Workspace account that I'm not going to let go away until I'm absolutely done with them. So number one, have a Google account that you're not going to lose access to. You got two-step authentication on it. You got recovery phone number, recovery email address, because if you're going to use Drive to store stuff, you don't want to lose your Google account. So let's take a look at an idea here. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff here, but I'm going to do a new folder, create a new folder, and I'm going to label it Teddy Personal Stuff. Stuff I never want to lose. Let's make it, proper spelling here, make it look better. Come on, and save, create. So I'm going to put some files in there that I never want to lose. Let me go first get a few. Let me go get a file upload. I want to start. I could have used a folder upload if I have a specific folder full of stuff, but I'm going to go to Dropbox. It's just interesting. It's already in Dropbox, but this is only for presentation. TLB files, and I want to get, where's my 2023? Do I have a 2023 resume? Here's my 2020 resume. I don't want to lose that. And here's my CSV. I don't want to lose that. 2020, and let's upload those. So there's two folders, the files I want to not want to lose. I might do it again. Let me show it to you again. File upload, and I'm going to go back to Dropbox. I'm going to go back down here to TLB bio, and I never want to lose this picture. Where's my 2023, 2022 bio picture? There it is there. I don't want to lose that. I'm going to upload that. So I'm putting files into this Teddy's Personal Stuff. These are files I never want to lose. So I'm putting them in Google Drive. They're under Teddy's Personal Stuff, so I can find them when I want to find them. Pretty easy to do, to upload either folders full of content or individual files. But again, I reiterate this. Use a Google account that you have two-step authentication turned on, you have a recovery phone number, a recovery email address, you've saved the backup codes for in the event you can't do the two-step, and you never let anybody ever log into this Google account, your Gmail, or whatever is associated with this Google account, because it is important to you. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.